I love at-home facials, and I love Adrienne even more, and I could just stare at her for hours and listen to her talk. So I can't wait to see this lymphatic drainage facial and learn how to do it myself.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Adrienne Bailon in here, and I am so excited to be a part of the Poosh Your Wellness Festival, and I'm even more excited about what we're going to be doing here. I am about to learn how to do a lymphatic drainage facial with my girl Camilla, who is an incredible ambassador for Clarins. And you know, I've known Kourtney for years, and I love the fact that she has always put me onto the best beauty regimens, all my beauty essentials. So I am ready to get in on this lymphatic drainage facial. I feel like I'm going to be coming out with my cheekbones popping. It's going to be phenomenal. Camilla, thank you for being here. Thank you for hopefully being very patient with me as I learn how to do this.
I'm sure you're going to be amazing. Guys, it's a pleasure to be here with you talking about lymphatic drainage. My name is Camila Perez. I'm from Brazil, and I'm a massage therapist and esthetician. I will demonstrate to Adrienne, and you can follow us in this amazing anti-aging facial lymphatic drainage. I will demonstrate to you, Adrienne, first, a very simple application. It's a signature application for Clarins. So let's start with the double serum. So double serum, there's 21 plant extracts on it. So it's very, very anti-aging. It's the #1 anti-aging Clarins product. It has turmeric, which is very anti-inflammatory, and lymphatic drainage is also very anti-inflammatory, which makes the perfect combination.
I've actually used this stuff before, guys, and it is absolutely incredible. I've done like a demo of just how I use it on a daily basis on my YouTube, but I have never tried it doing lymphatic drainage. So we're going to see how this works. I'm ready to be snatched and contoured.
You're going to be a pro. I assume that, you know, we have our faces clean. We're bare face. We have no makeup, guys. This is for you.
Oh, Lord. Thank God I got my eyebrows microbladed, because I would have looked crazy here.
Oh, you look amazing. We're going to start with the double serum. Clean face. You can exfoliate if you want. You can apply your toner.
How much?
1 pump.
1 pump.
And then we're gonna warm up in the hands and apply.
I'm just following you, girl. I'm following you. I hope
me.
everybody else is doing this at home. You got your serum. You're warming it up in your hands.
Yes. And then we're gonna place in the middle of the face, and then in the neck, like 2 movements, and you apply the whole face and the neck. And then very light pressure, but you can feel the pressure.
Not gonna lie, I never thought giving myself a massage would feel good. That just sounds like, oh, I'm gonna give myself. No, it actually feels good.
It feels great,
that.
You know? You just close your eyes and you're doing it.
Yes, how important is it for us to not forget our necks? Because I definitely suffer from tech neck, and I've definitely seen Poosh articles about this, and I'm trying to do it because Lord knows I am suffering from major tech neck. So it's so important, right, to put this product not just on our face but on our necks as well.
Yes, definitely. So when you are doing lymphatic drainage, you're reducing inflammation in general. So I will teach you some movements that you can do to drain your neck too.
Oh,
it's
please.
Great. It's great.
My neck be on struggle. You don't see these lines? I'm like, why is my neck aging rapidly, people?
Yes, we're like this all
day long.
To follow the sequence, I always like to apply an hydrating product, so a moisturizing on top of double serum. It will be the perfect combination.
So how much of this should we be using?
Like a pea,
Okay.
Like a pea size amount. It's enough.
I get crazy with moisturizer. I love.
Oh, you can apply on your arms and everything. So the same thing.
Tell me twice.
Yes, why not? And we're gonna do the same thing. Just warm up and apply.
Okay.
So the pressure that we apply, it makes the lymphatic vessels to open. And the fluid that is like all over the places, like between the cells, it gets into the vessels. That's why you see, less puffiness, swelling is reduced. So what is good about the lymphatic drainage in the lymphatic system is that results are immediate.
So where should we be applying this pressure? Because I know this is one spot, it's here, and then here.
Yeah, so it's center of the forehead,
Okay.
like right in the center, and then to the sides.
Then here, okay.
Perfect. And then in the center of the face and to the sides, because the lymph nodes for these areas are close to your ears. So we're kind of pushing through the lymph nodes. Okay? And then here on the collarbone, we have the most important chains of lymph nodes from our whole body. This is like the control center for the whole thing. So,
really?
Yeah. So pressure in this area will not just release a lot from your face, but also for your body. So some attention here is so welcome. And moisturizer is applied and we're glowing.